Background Mitch Videos presents Caillou for Hire 911, Blizzard Entertainment. Requested by Amazing Video Maker 2K8.
Cool! Blizzard Entertainment? Sure, let's do it. Hi, welcome to Blizzard Entertainment. How can I help you? I would like World of Warcraft, please. Sold out. I see some on my left. I am leaving. Hi, welcome to Blizzard Entertainment. How can I help you?
I would like Hearthstone, please.
Sold out.
I literally see lots behind you. Manager time.
Caillou, how dare you be lazy again? That's it, you're fired and banned forever. You know what to do. Get out!
How dare you get fired again? That's it, you're grounded for 4 months. Room now.